Let's Play video. Today we are going to be doing the rocket bottle experiment, where you need 3 pencils, some duct tape, a water bottle, a cork, some baking soda, a napkin, I'll explain to you that later, and a teaspoon. Okay, so first you want to pour the vinegar in here. It's going to be a little hard because of the pencils. Okay, so now we're gonna put in, not gonna escape from me this time. Okay, so now we're gonna put in the baking soda. You have to be very careful when you're doing this outside and especially because today it's windy out. And let's measure this. Okay, there, that's 1 teaspoon. And the reason why we're putting this baking soda inside the teaspoon, inside the napkin, is because once it hits the vinegar, it's gonna start fizzling up. So instead of we having it like this, we're gonna put it upside down. But first, we're gonna need to put this in. So.